ngayon ang Miss Universe. Binubu. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at Andrea.
I know.
Hindi man lang kumatayo. Hindi man lang kumakalakta.
Nakita ko sa kanina, nagulat din sa kanina eh. Nakakaloka. Diba?
Michelle di hindi napigilan ang mag-react at maglabas ng saloobin sa naging resulta ng kakatapos lamang na Miss Universe 2025. Mula sa official X account ni Michelle D ay matapang nga itong nagpahayag ng kanyang pagkadismaya kung saan iilan sa kanyang tweets ay sinabi nito na hindi umano siya makapaniwala sa naging resulta ng kompetisyon at talagang speechless na siya ngayon. Hindi naman kasi lingid sa marami lalong-lalo na sa mga nakapanood ng laban na talagang ang mga nasa huling lineup ng resulta ang mas deserving sa corona. Kaya naman hindi napigilan ng mga netizens at iilang mga personalidad ang agad na umalma at magbigay ng kani-kanilang opinyon. Samantala, bukod kay Michelle D ay nagpahayag naman ng kanyang suporta para kay Atisa manalo si Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach. Sa kanyang Instagram account ay pinuri nito si Atisa at sinabi na talagang binigay ang husay nito sa kanyang naging laban. Narito naman panuurin ang mga video highlights mula sa Miss Universe 2025.
Ate, binubo nila yung nanalo.
So, tapos na yung Miss Universe and sa totoo lang, nandito pa rin kami. Baka mamaya baliktad yung announcement kasi nung tinawag si Cote d'Ivoire, like, 4th runner-up, seryoso kayo? Tapos si Mexico ang nanalo. I mean, pwede naman siya sa top 5, pero parang yung top 2, parang huy, mga Miss Universe owners, totoo, kaya kailangan bumili na rin tayo ng shares ng Miss Universe. What do you think, guys? Di ba? Nakakaloko, parang baliktad talaga yung pagkakatawag.
Look, I Sash, who is your real winner? Congratulations. Congratulations with Mexico. Congratulations with Mexico and Thailand. I'm so proud. for the winner. For my
But I
team.
want Vina to win.
Yeah, I hope that. But
It's supposed to be.
We must accept for the this is real.
Okay.
This is real. Yes, it's a fair. With a fair game. Don't worry for everything.
Understand.
I understand for everyone for support Vina. But we must do move on and strong again. Yes.
Thank you, Nok.
You're welcome. สาวไปแล้วเหรอ
So it's already
แม่ไปเม็กซิโกต่อให้แม่ไป
finished.
ปอร์โตริโกต่อ
But everyone's still here. The lights are still on. So we're waiting for. Oh, so that's not.
ไหนนะเวทีก็
So we'll see you around, guys.
เดี๋ยวต้องไปส่งหน้าหน้าดีกว่า
Michael.
We were okay with
Thailand. Vietnam. Thailand. I want Philippines, Thailand. Philippines. Thailand, Thailand, Philippines.
Someone will come up at the last minute to overturn the
มากโอ้ยขอบคุณมากเลยลูก
Asan sila?
ช่วยมัดปาก
Nandun na si Michael.
Andyan ata na. Kailangan ko. Hinahanap, pinapahanap?
Oo. Kasi sasabay siya, di ba?
Oo.
Ikaw ba sasabay? Ay, hindi ka sasabay sa
Sabay na. Ay, sorry. Andyan siya, inakit.
Dito, wala eh.
Nasa center siya kanina. Nakita ko nakahat.
Miss Philippines, if you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I work with an organization called Allen Academy, where we work with young people to provide them opportunities to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is, it doesn't define where you will go. And I want to continue working with Allen Academy on a bigger platform like Miss Universe to pursue making sure that people who come from low-income backgrounds are given the same opportunities as everyone else.
Pero enojadísimos están rabiando. Que te sale la espuma. ¡Guapa Colombia!
Côte d'Ivoire. The third runner-up is Philippines. Next, to secure her place in the top 5 is